Asparagus, one of my favorite vegetables, are out right now. So I have a little dish that's a quick side dish that I'm going to show you. So you want to make sure your asparagus is bright green in color, very firm, not wilty, and that the tips are closed up. So like I said, this is really quick for a weeknight. We have olive oil, a little salt, a little bit of pepper,
Perfect.
a little bit of thyme, and some grated orange zest. And I just kind of get that mixed in there. And your hands are your best tools. I'm just gonna kind of spread that all over. Get in there. And I'm just gonna lay them down on the sheet pan. Then I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. And there they are. So you have to try these roasted asparagus. They're great, like I said, for the weeknight. They're really tasty. See you guys. So these roasted, so you have to try these roasted, God, dang it.
Say that.
Let me do that one more time.